Hello everyone, my name is Angel. This is my channel Angelhyns vlog. If you are new, please like and subscribe and click the notification bell to get updated for a new video. For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add payment method on Google AdSense account. So let's go! Intro, pasok! First, go to your browser and search for Google AdSense account. As you can see, we have a notification that your payments are currently on hold. Action is required to release payments. Okay, so let's start. First, click the three lines at the upper left corner and then click Payments. Scroll down and you will see the Add Payment Method. Then click it. Then click the first one, that is Add New Wire Transfer Details. To receive payouts by wire transfer, contact your bank for exchange rates and fees. Bank account must be located in Philippines and in US dollar currency. So here's the details. Beneficiary ID is just optional. Just leave it blank. Name on bank account, put your name or who is name in the bank account. Bank name, put your bank name like BDO, BPI, Union Bank, and other bank. SWIFT code. A SWIFT code is a code used to identify the country, bank, and branch that an account is registered to when you send money to a bank account overseas. Go to your browser, then search your bank SWIFT code like this. Account number. Put your bank account number. You type bank account number, just copy your bank account number, then paste it. After that, then check Set as Primary Payment Method. Then, don't forget to save. Now, our bank account payment method has been updated. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next tutorial. Bye!